The infertile dryland of Purulia district in West Bengal is the major obstacle to produce regular agriculture.
আমার নাম আদেশ দুবে আমার গ্রাম আড়িদাইতাতে জেলা পুরুলিয়া 2 নম্বর ব্লক
I was unemployed. I didn't have any earning. I started to run a small poultry farm with only 200 hens. Since I had no experience, I faced a huge loss. Then I moved to KVK-Kalvan. It arranged a training session for me. I came to know about various hen diseases from doctors over there. I now own a poultry farm running successfully with 5,000 hens. I have a duck farm too. There are as many as 2,000 ducks in it. Manush Bhattacharya of KVK-Kalvan inspired me to start this duck farming. Apart from 3 labours, I and my elder brother run the poultry and the duck farm. I earn rupees 3 lakhs yearly from the poultry in addition to 1.5 lakhs from duck farming as well. My poultry is 150 feet in length and 22 feet in width. It can hold 2,500 hens. The temperature of Purulia district is generally high, so I had to place a shade to protect the hens from heat. The height is low to save the farm from storms. Vitamins are provided to hens mixed with food and water. It helps to sustain growth and immunity for the hens. The water pots are to be cleaned every morning. Usually it takes 40 days to take out the grown-ups. A gap of 10 to 12 days is required along with cleaning it properly to groom new chicks. Regular vaccination with booster plain, Gramro and Ranikhet are also required to prevent the hens from diseases. The ducks in my farm are from colouring Campbell species. Peking ducks are also good, but locally the demand for colouring Campbell is high. These are look like local ducks. It has an average weight of more than 2 kg in the first 2 months. Nets are covered from outside. A small reservoir is dug to hold water. These species require a little water although. Izola is mixed with food. It helps to provide nutrition for the ducks in a low cost. A single duck is sold in rupees 250 in the market, while it costs around 120 to grow up. I am now self-reliant. It inspires as many as 30 to 40 new entrepreneurs to take up this business. They are also trying hard to become economically self-reliant.